Okay, you will not regret ever clicking on this video, because in it I'm going to show you how to get a free domain and hosting for your websites. I'll also show you how to install WordPress on it, and further show you how to use the Elementor page builder to customize your website. Now, why would you want to get a free domain and hosting? Here are some few reasons. You may want to test a plugin, a theme, or even make your website go live, which you can use to show to your clients. So if you want to get a free domain and hosting, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So I go over to my address bar and enter profreehost.com, enter. So this is ProFreeHost website, and in here you get a professional free web hosting, a free web hosting with unlimited disk space and bandwidth. These are the various features you get with ProFreeHost. You get unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, MySQL databases, easy control panel, website builder, and it's 100% free. There's no hidden cost. You also get free subdomains, and they have 99.9% uptime, and there's no forced ads. You get all these features for free for life. And they are saying that we will never ask you to pay for using our hosting services. Getting a stable website has never been cheaper. Ready to launch your super fast web. So to get started, I'll click on register now. And in here, I enter my email address, then password, then click on the checkbox. So here I need to verify that I'm not a robot. So I go for places with taxes, verify. Scroll down. Now activate account. Please activate your account first. Did not receive activation email, resend activation mail. So next I'll go over to my email and check for the activation link. Okay, I'm in my email now, so I'll click on activate account to open in a new tab. Your account has been activated successfully. So up here you see some ads, and also down here, since ProFreeHost is free, this is how they make money. So next thing I do is click on create new account. So I scroll down a bit. In here I enter an attractive name, so I'll say Dikupages. So Dikupages.anox.com is available. I can scroll down here, and I have another option which is Iziro, something like that. So I can choose this, since this one is easy to pronounce. Perfect. So this is available. I click on the check mark. Okay, so everything is preparing. Okay, it's done. I can see the green check mark. So I click on manage. So in here you can go to manage builders, where you can create or manage drag and drop builders for this account, or you can also go to control panel. I'll go to control panel for now. It will open in a new tab. So hi, my username, I approve. Thanks, the panel will now load, and we are right here. Now I'm in my cPanel. Now scroll down to software category. Now click on Softaculous app installer, and this is where I can install WordPress or any other content management system. So I'll hover on WordPress, then I click on install. So in here I choose the version of WordPress 5.7.2 is the current version. So I have my domain name. I scroll down. In here I enter the name of my site. I'll leave it for now. I can change it after installing WordPress, and the same goes for site description. So I'll go down to admin username. I'll enter my name, then the password I'll change it, but before I do that I'll hide it. My email is intact. Language I leave it as English, and I'll go down to click on install, and WordPress will install in some few seconds. Okay, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. I can click here to view my site. So now I click on this link to view my site. Perfect. So this is the front end. Exit out of here. Now I can click here to go to the dashboard. Okay, so I'm in the dashboard of my website. So let me quickly show you how to install a theme. So I'll go over to Appearance, Themes. Now I click on Add New. Take note, this is the current theme we are using. So I search for Astra. I install it. I activate. Okay, now Astra is installed. Let me go over and see my current website, the look and feel of it. So this is how it will look like. I go back to the dashboard. Now I go over to plugins, add new. So I'm going to install the Elementor page builder. Elementor. It is right here. Install now. Okay, it is installed. I activate. Now plugin activated successfully. So next I'm going to do is add a page. So I go to pages, add new. So create a new page and make it the home page of our website so that we can customize it using Elementor. So title, I enter home and I click on edit with Elementor. So we are in Elementor. So I'll just do this quickly because the main purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to get a free domain and hosting. So I click on add new section, single column. I go to height, minimum height, and the style. I go to classic and I choose a color. Okay, I can make a gradient actually. I think this color is good. So on the angle, I make it 90. I go to elements, I drag in the header elements. How to get a free, I center it. I go back to elements, I drag in the text editor and I can edit it. Go to style, center it, and the text color and make it white. Typography, I'll increase the size and I'll also increase the size here by just clicking on it. Go to style. Actually, I'll change the color to white first, then typography, I increase the size. Perfect. Next I click on add section. I want to add 3 columns. Then I go to elements. I'll search for icon box. I drag it in here. I enter. experienced. I'll change the color and the style primary color. I make it black. That is for the icon. And then content color, I make it black as well. Perfect. I can duplicate it because I need 3 of those. And in here I'll just right click and delete the columns. So I'll change the icon, maybe something like this. Motivated. And finally this, change the icon to something like this, or maybe this. I say solution. Perfect. I create a space in here, so I click on edit section, I go to advanced, and the margin I unlink these values, top I make it 50, bottom 50. Perfect. So finally I'll go for social icons. Can just drag it in here. I can click here and enter the social links. So I also want to add new item for LinkedIn. So currently it is WordPress. I'll just click on the logo and search for LinkedIn. It's right here. I insert it and the name will change right there. Alright. So I'll go to elements and I'll drag in the spacer. Actually, I want to add a background color here. So I click on edit section, under style, click on classic. The color I make it gray. Then I'll go back to layout, height, minimum height. Perfect. And I publish the page. Alright. Now if I go over to my website and click on my blog, you won't see the home page until we make it our home page. So I'll go to my dashboard, then I go to settings, under reading, click on it. Your home page displays your latest post. I make it static, and under home I select home. Save the changes. Now if I go over to my website, I'll right click, open a new tab. You will see the beautiful landing page we have created using Elementor right there. Perfect. So this is it on how to get a free domain and also create a beautiful landing page using Elementor. I hope you found value. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and we will talk soon.